welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video. So my name is Christina Cooper-Gomm. My husband just started his GLP-1 journey. He's been on GLP-1 for 5 days. He's already lost 6 pounds. We know men tend to lose weight much faster than women. So excited for him. And I'm actually starting my journey probably tonight, I'm thinking is what I'm gonna take my first shot because it just got here in the mail. So if you're wondering like, dang, does this girl even need GLP-1? So I mean, I'm in black, but this is, let's just be vulnerable here. Yes, I could use some. This is me normal. This is very vulnerable. But yes, I'm actually doing GLP-1 for a lot of different reasons, not just for weight loss. I know that I will lose some weight and I'm excited for that. I have 2 kids. My youngest is 4 and I've been going to the gym religiously for a year and a half. I've been eating better. I've given up soda and I feel like I've hit a plateau. So that is one of the reasons, is because I would love to fit in the clothes that I have in my closet, and also just feel comfortable even in these clothes, like stretchy pants and things like that. Sometimes I don't feel even comfortable in those things. So, and that's pretty much my wardrobe. Um, Other reasons why, like longevity, diabetes runs in my family. And so just having more control over food noise, what I put into my body. Obviously, I'm a big nighttime snacker, so I know it's going to help with that because I want to eat sugar all the time and the bad things. And so with GLP-1, we chose trizepatide because we wanted to pay more and have less side effects and see more weight loss results, because there is scientific proof behind semaglutide and trizepatide and essentially how much more weight people lose faster on trizepatide and less side effects that they see. So mine just got here, okay? Just got here in the mail. So it's cold because obviously this is a product that needs to stay in the fridge. Although I did look into this and it can stay room temperature for 28 days, okay? So if you are not home when it arrives, it's not the end of the world. It's going to be okay. If you accidentally, like I have friends that have accidentally left it overnight on their nightstand or in their bathroom after they did their injection, it's okay. It doesn't make it less like potent or anything like that. So I am just opening this up and then I'm going to show you what you get when it comes in the mail. Okay. So these are just, it's just an ice pack in here. That's just what the inside looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and just throw that away. And then this is like my pack that I get of everything. So let me just go through this and show you what you get if you choose to go through the same provider that we did. What I liked about this, so it's kind of crazy that I'm actually doing this. I'm a very holistic person. And so it took me a long time to get to the point where I was like, yes, I'll take medication. Because I looked into all of the different pharmacies, where it's coming from, what ingredients is in this medication and so forth. And there's a lot of these medications, GLP-1s, that are coming out of the country, okay? So if you choose to go through the provider that we go through, it's in the United States and it actually ships from your state. Every state is different. So I am in the state of Utah. I was able to take an assessment online, send in my driver's license, pay for the product, and it's like pending, payment is pending, and then a doctor either approves or denies. I'm actually surprised. We were kind of back and forth on whether or not a doctor was going to approve or deny me, because I was just worried about like my BMI maybe not being high enough. It was barely, based on my height and where my weight should be and all that, which by the way, we are going to talk about weight in my next YouTube video, because I have not weighed myself in 13 years and I do not plan to. So it's like, whoa, how is she going to do this? So check out my next YouTube for that. Okay, so you get your vials. So I've got month 1, month 2, and month 3. They're in here. This is what they look like. Ooh, I'm going to put them in the fridge right after this. They're like child proof, but they're also like Christina proof. There we go. Okay, so this is what they look like. Okay, this is the product. And then I have in here, so you'll get a little pouch, this little blue pouch. And I've got my syringes in here. I bought a box, by the way, on Amazon for syringes because we do have little kids in our home. You're also going to get a measuring thing so that you can get all your measurements. And then you're going to get a whole booklet that is full of like measuring yourself, going by your progress, your weekly progress, like your food cravings, your sleep, where all your measurements are at, that sort of thing. You'll want to have that in here. And then there's like a little letter and like a little guide for your GLP-1, the differences between semaglutide, trizepatide, that sort of thing. Okay. So these are all the things that you get. Tonight will be my first night. I will also put that on YouTube. We're going to track our whole journeys because we actually did not know. Well, okay. We did not know anybody that had done a GLP-1. And then we ordered our GLP-1s and we've been loud about it. And family, close friends we see on a regular basis. Like a lot of people around us are using and have either been on a GLP-1, loved it, had a great experience, or are currently on a GLP-1 or are microdosing a GLP-1 because that's really helped them with the food noise and continuing to um, stay at the weight and feel the way that they want to feel. So, yeah, feel free to follow along and subscribe on my GLP-1 journey and have a great day. Nice to virtually meet you.